How to fix this device cannot start. Code 10 error in Windows 10? Here's how to fix this device cannot start. Code 10 error in Windows 10's Device Manager. 1. Reboot your computer. 2. Run the hardware. Device troubleshooter, run this command, admin mode, msdt.exeid device diagnostic. 3. For advanced Windows users only. Check the Device Manager for more info. 4. Update hardware drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Manually remove non-functional drivers. 6. Try another USB port or hub. 7. Delete upper filters and lower filters in registry editor at hkey_local_machine /system/current control set /control/class. 8. Test your hardware elsewhere. 9. Perform a system restore or reset. Hint: find the correct GUID for the type of device.